Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link an EA account to PS5. Alright, so you have two ways. Okay, so the first method is by going to a web browser. It could be on your mobile device or computer or even your console if you do have a browser available. Okay, so once you're in here, just go over to myaccount.ea.com. Alright, again, myaccount.ea.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, if it prompts you to log in, go ahead and log in. Okay, so once logged in, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Connected Accounts. Okay, click on it, and you'll be able to see all of your connected accounts from here. And especially, we have PlayStation Network from the Not Linked section. So go ahead and click on PlayStation Network and click on Continue, and a new browser will pop up. Now go ahead and grab the code from the email that was linked to your EA account. So the email will look like this. You go ahead and grab the code, right click and copy, paste that in here, sign in. All right, as you can see here, it will now then go ahead and redirect us to PSN. So go ahead and sign in with your PlayStation account and then click on next, add in your password, of course, and click on sign in. And again, a verification code will be sent to your PlayStation email, and you should receive again the same exact email. So just go ahead and grab the code, paste that in here, and just click on verify. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click on agree and continue. Now finally, just click on link accounts. All right, your EA account or the website will then restart, and as you can see here, my PlayStation Network or PSN is now connected to my EA account. Now the other option, you could just go ahead and open up a game from your console, okay, from your PS5. Say for example, you have Battlefield, Sims, if it's available, or any other EA games. Just open it up, okay, and after that, there'll be a prompt that will ask you to sign in with your EA account. Okay, so go ahead and log in with your EA account, and after that, both will be connected. Okay, so that's how simple it is to link an EA account to PS5. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.